one wonders why we're specialising so much on supply only of balconies. It's not that we don't feel comfortable on a building site. We've had, as I said, 25 years experience in working there, but I think that the real benefit that we can give to the business and to the construction industry as a whole is our experience in manufacture and in detailing and design, and therefore feel that our best way forward is to concentrate on what we're really good at, and the installation is something that fits well with the facade installers, with specialist contractors who can concentrate on what's needed there. We'll certainly support them in every way. We train them, we supply equipment, because we've got a lot of equipment that's innovative to get over particular installation problems, and making that available not only in this country but globally will be a great benefit to the industry, and allows us to concentrate on our core competencies of design and manufacture. So part of our ethos is to make things as simple as possible for the installer, so we provide templates, jigs and on-site training, support, QA procedures to ensure that the product is installed correctly first time, because that is so key to the product, the final balcony product going on correctly at the end of the project. Our involvement from a very early stage of the design concept is key, and that support goes right the way through to handover. So it's not in any way that we're just designing something and then letting others make it. It's in everyone's interest that the product arrives on site in a totally acceptable condition, much in the same way as if a car is delivered. You'd expect the proud owner to walk around it and make sure that it's exactly to his liking before it was actually started to use it. And so we have a number of quality assurance checks carried out in the factory, and that it won't, and then once it's put onto the lorry and transported to site, it's checked again by the installer as he receives ownership of it, and at that point he will take it into his charge and put it onto the building.